Hi, I'm Bharti Vanaparthi. Welcome to my new We're Exploring North Korea History and Landscapes. Let's begin our journey together. Hi, I'm Bharti Vanaparthi. Welcome to my new vlog. Today we are exploring incredible architecture and culture together. The scale of this city is truly impressive. Let's explore more. What a breathtaking view! Nature here feels peaceful and majestic. Every corner offers another beautiful landscape. History and architecture come together beautifully in this area. The mountain scenery is absolutely unforgettable. The coastline is calm, relaxing, and full of natural beauty. The gardens add so much color and charm to the journey. Watching the city glow at sunset. Our first day ends with an amazing night view. See you in the next episode. Hi everyone, I am Bharti. Welcome to my outdoor kitchen. Today I am cooking chicken curry and I'll show you how I prepare it. Let's get started. Before we start cooking, let me show you all the fresh ingredients. Freshing the chicken curry tastes much better. First, I light the wood fire. This natural flame gives the chicken curry an amazing smoky flavor. Now I am adding cooking oil and waiting until it becomes hot. I am adding chopped onions and frying them until they become golden brown. This gives our curry a rich flavor. Now I add fresh ginger and garlic paste. The aroma is absolutely wonderful. Next come the tomatoes and all the beautiful spices. This is where the magic begins. I am cooking the masala until the oil starts separating. That's the secret to delicious chicken curry. Now it's time to add the fresh chicken. Mix everything well so every piece is coated with the spices. Let the chicken cook slowly so it absorbs all these wonderful flavors. Now I am adding water to make a rich and flavorful chicory gravy. Now we let the curry simmer until the chicken becomes perfectly tender. Finally, I add fresh coriander leaves. The chicken curry is ready and smells wonderful. Our delicious chicken curry is ready. It looks so flavorful, rich and aromatic. I hope you'll try this recipe at home. Our delicious outdoor chicken curry is ready. I never expected that I am in North Korea country. Our chicken curry is ready. Thank you for watching. See you in my next travel vlog.